Al Hilal have terminated Neymar Junior's contract. I think this is the greatest news for Al Hilal. Since the beginning, I told this thing is not going to be possible. The time Al Hilal was signing a Neymar Junior. Neymar is a very good player. Neymar, by the time Neymar is coming from Santos to Europe, Neymar is one of the brightest players in Europe. But the problem of this Neymar is not serious. If this Neymar was serious, this Neymar should not be end like this. Neymar Junior should have won a Ballon d'Or because Neymar is a very good player and he's a very good dribbler. 1v1, I don't see any player in Europe that is more good than Neymar. But this Neymar coming from Santos to Europe, this Neymar is not serious. We all see the way Neymar played. Neymar was been at Hilal for almost a year now. Neymar did not even play for a single game. I think he will play for 45 minutes and they substitute him and he got injured. This boy is a full of party. Neymar Junior think that football is party and football cannot go with a party. This thing you have to take one thing. Either you be a party boy or you take a football. Mourinho told this one to Ali that if you want to be a good footballer and if you want to be a footballer and you want your name to be recognized, you have to be concentrate on what you are doing. You cannot be in a club today, tomorrow you want to prepare for a gym. So that is the problem of this Neymar. Although Neymar is a very good player, even a Brazilian team, this Neymar is the problem. That's why this Brazilian team are not successful. It's because of this Neymar. This Neymar is the problem in the Brazilian team. This Neymar, when people are serious, that is the time Neymar will start joking. He's a very good player and he can dribble. I think this is the best way Al Hilal should do. Somebody cannot be in your team. A player cannot be in your team and you are paying the player for almost 700,000 pounds per week, which is even more than that one that Neymar earned for Al Hilal. So the man will be there on the medical table. He will not be playing for the team. So I think Al Hilal did the best way to terminate Neymar contract. So Neymar is back to Santos where he came from, Brazil. So I think this is the best way for Al Hilal. I know Neymar cannot succeed there. I know it. If Neymar can succeed, Neymar should succeed at Paris Saint-Germain because that team, they have did everything for him possibly to make sure that he become a successful player in the world. So Neymar even cannot win a Ballon d'Or in Paris Saint-Germain. So talk less of Neymar is going to survive in Al Hilal. I know that this Saudi Arabia is not for all the players. I think this Saudi Arabia is for only Cristiano Ronaldo. Despite the age and everything, he went there and still now he's delivering there. So this one is not for Neymar. A very big congratulations for Al Hilal to terminating this man contract. If not, their success also, they might find it very difficult because this man is a cost. I think Neymar, the way they terminated this contract, I think is the best way for Al Hilal and also is the best way for Neymar also. Going back to Santos and go back again and try to play with the Santos boys rather than living in Al Hilal.